All right, we're doing something a little different, something that I haven't done before. It's our coolant reservoir. Oh yeah. What is this? A new hose for something. We'll have to figure that out. We got coolant, we got our distilled water, just went and picked that up. And let's just crank this off. So the car has been sitting for a couple days because you don't want to do this when it's hot. Just put that guy up there. I do want to take the headlight out because I feel like that might give us some extra space. So, grab my Torx bit. I think you're gonna probably want some towels, because you're gonna lose some coolant. It's just the way that it is, you know. Okay. The headlight should come out. It's gonna be a lot of water. We gotta take the headlight. Oh man, this is hard. There it goes. So it definitely opens it up a little bit. Now what we're gonna do is this guy. I'm gonna take this one off. Just kind of pinch these two together, and then just pull back. And now obviously you'll have that guy, this clip. Just make sure you get that. Oof. Getting it through here is going to be a little hard. Maybe we will just throw this cap back on just in case we get a little sideways here. If I can get away with not spilling everything, that's the plan. Okay. That one's gonna leak everywhere. So I think what we'll do is we'll just pinch it. The little locking pliers. Because of the teeth, they're a little sharp, we'll just put like a paper towel in between it, just in case. Rather be safe than sorry. And then pinch. Alright. I don't know if that's gotta come out. No, it does not. Coolant's kind of tilting to that side. We can pull this guy off. So we're working on this guy back here, which is usually right in the front. Okay, I don't even know what that is. And just pull her off. There we go. Alright, pliers is your friend for that guy. This must be the line to the turbo, would be my guess. Okay, that's off to the side. Let's see if we can... Oh, she came right out. There we go. Oh, maybe a little coolant coming out. No. Alright, we didn't really drop any coolant, which is awesome, but now I have a container full of coolant. Wonder if I'm gonna put some gloves on. Maybe this will help not getting fingerprints everywhere. Alright, got one tab here, one tab here. Just looks like it would line up like this. And it looks like we've got a bolt that we can, that will go on. So if we go on like this, looks like there is one bolt there we will take out. We just need to be able to move it up a little bit. Looks like almost a 10 mil. It did break off the little direction tab on there. That is a 10 mil. That's good. Nut. That will end up going back on. Let's put this off to the side. There we go. All right. Oh, I see. It's just like a little grommet. That's kind of neat. Cool. I think we'll probably just keep that on there anyways, because it's gonna go back on. Not that I need AC, but because I mean, when am I gonna use that during runs? I'm not. Okay, so when you put this back on, make sure you get you don't fold the grommet over like what just happened there. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get to this guy. So get our main line coming on the bottom. I wonder if we'll do this. We'll connect this first, I think. A little hard to see. Well, you kind of get the gist. You slide her on, and then you just gotta put that clamp back on. So let's slide her back on there. Let's put that in a spot that we like. So again, you got that bolt up top, which I think, since we have this in there, let's just put this back into place. Whew. It's starting to get humid out here. Let's take this clamp off. She's good to go. Take these guys out, which should go in on the top, which looks like it's right there. Ooh, little coolant coming out. All right, let's squeeze it back in there. Want to go on, huh? All right, now that we know, I will update you guys when I've got those little rubber pieces on. All right, we've got it all put back in. The reason that this would not fit is it was stuck on the O-ring, as dumb as that sounds. We've got these rubber things put in. The one in the back, it's not easy to see. It's sticking on the rubber, so it's like folding it and not going down all the way, so just check that. We've got the overflow put in, and then we've got her filled up. Also, on the back here, you want to do 50 coolant and 50 water. I am using distilled water. I don't know if it says on here, but I think that's what you're supposed to use. So that's what we did. Just went to the store and I picked up 2. I definitely did not need 2, but I did dump some out of this to make it easier. So it's about 1 liter each, give or take. Super simple, aside from that little O-ring that I got stuck on for a bit. Yeah, I just lubed it up a little bit and then shoved her in. And then you always want to check, make sure you're not leaking anywhere. But hopefully this helps. I did forget to record that part, so that is my bad. Yeah, just once you get everything put in, water and a little bit of coolant, let some of that air come out, start your car. Just kind of keep an eye on there and make sure it's, you know, about halfway, somewhere between, and then fill it up to the max line and you're good to go.